Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Mads Diamond. Pioneer must know that one of my love languages is gifting because I'm about to unbox something so fun. I'm going to start off with a small package. Oh my gosh, it's a tote bag, love it. Pioneer DJ have chosen you for your reputation as a trendsetter, a pioneer shaping culture with your own style who takes your own cues from life. Style, music and individuality run through your veins. Well, they didn't lie. Stickers, I have a lanyard. I'm gonna just start wearing this around the house because I don't have a corporate job, so if I just, you know when people just buzz in with their card, like, I'm just gonna start wearing this to the toilet. Sorry guys, just gonna have a break. Okay, and what's next? They told me they were gonna be sending over the HDJ-CUE1 headphones, and they didn't lie. This is going to be like the third set of headphones I've had for DJing. The first was literally not even a pair of DJ headphones, and then the second was Sennheiser HD25s. And these are white. These are like silver actually. Oh my god. They're so soft, the quality of these feels so good. These are the HDJ-CUE1 headphones. I already love them. Why did I just smell them? Not me getting foundation on them already. Okay, so they're Bluetooth. This is my first pair of overhead Bluetooth headphones as well. So I have been using a Pioneer record box controller for the last 3 years. I've had the DDJ-400 and it's been really good to me. But I'm so excited to introduce this new 4-channel controller to my room because that's where I'll be DJing for the foreseeable future. So this is the DDJ-FLX6. I heard someone on another video call it DDJ-FLX6 and like they didn't pronounce the 6, but I don't know if they were just playing, so I'm not gonna be announcing it as that. Take this moment in. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh! Okay, so this is the DDJ RB next to the FLX6. As you can see, the FLX6 is quite big. It's very big. It's taking up much of my table, so I've had to work around that, but I actually love the size. The FLX6 just comes with one USB cable, as you can see here. It's all lit up and it's literally giving me Blackpool illumination vibes right now. Look at all the colours. We have our 4 channels. We have a new release FX button, which is new for me because they don't have that on the DDJ RB. We have the full size jog wheels like the CDJs. The small tempo adjusts, which are actually down here on my record box controller. Before it was up here, so it's quite nice having it closer to me. We have the cue button, play, pause, the same as CDJs and my old controller. We have the pad, hot cues, pad effects, beat jump sampler. So this must be deck 2 and deck 1. Then we also have the merge effects. So this is a new feature, which is probably the biggest feature that this controller comes with. Basically what it allows you to do is go out of one song using a sample to go from one song to the other in different BPMs. So I'm excited to try that out. The other exciting feature is the jog cutter, vinyl jog cutter. So this, I've heard, is where you can literally add in scratches. Here is the booth level. Obviously I don't have a booth speaker right now, but I do have my master level to turn up. I'm going to be posting more videos using the FLX6, so subscribe, like and turn on your notifications. Let me know what you think of this controller. Is it something you'd want to buy? If you're a new DJ looking to buy your first controller, this could be your first investment. So far, I'm loving it, but I'll keep you updated. You can follow me over on Instagram at djmadsdiamond.